Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhijit Roy welcoming you once again. So I think as you have already noted that we will discuss all about fundamental analysis today, and it will be a good short video for each and every beginners who want to invest in stock market, via mutual fund or any direct stocks. So without further delay, let us straight go to what is this fundamental analysis all about and how does it work. So in case of fundamental analysis, it's basically a method to determine a stock real value or its fair value. So there are a few factors which we need to figure out. What are the factors? So the main factors is the economic analysis, industry analysis and company analysis. So whenever we try to get to know the economic analysis, industry analysis and company analysis, we can determine the fundamental analysis in a nutshell basically. So there are two types of approach basically. So there are top-down approach and then there is also bottom-up approach. So what is this top-down approach? Top-down approach starts with the consideration of the health of the economy, right? Then the investor who is working, who's willing to invest, assesses the specific sector, then specific industry, and then a specific company. Again, there is bottom-up approach. What is this bottom-up approach? It starts with the company, it goes on to the industry, and then it goes to the sector, and finally to the economy. So I think this is a very critical thing what you should do. Suppose you want to get to fundamental analysis in a better way, you should enter any of the sites like Skinner.in that I normally follow, or any other things like moneycontrol.com. There are lots of sites. So whenever you are going like out here, I'm trying to locate what is the position of Vedant Fashion, Manyavar Fashion Limited. What is this Manyavar's current position? What we can expect. I'm just taking this as an example that can help you out, right? So first of all, we have to understand what is the shareholder pattern, the promoters, what are the promoters percentage as on 20th September 2023, it's 74.99. The FIIs is almost 6.66, DII is 14.88, a public we have 3.44. In terms of balance sheet, if we go, so what are the fixed assets? What are the fixed assets that are currently depending is 592. We have this one, total assets of around 2107 crore, right? So what is the profit and loss? If we check what is the profit and loss that has been already been given as of now. So there you can also find out here what are the different things that you can do. In terms of analysis, what you can find, what is the P ratio of Vedant? It's 85.08. Right, the market capitalization is almost 34,021.43 crore. The dividend yield is 0.64, and in the net profit latest quarter is 48.72. Quarter profit is negative. It's negative in the sense that 29.41% is a negative. Sales quarterly return is almost 218. Quarter sales variation is almost negative 11.59. What is the ROC? It's almost 39.17. So there are a lot of things that you can go, right? In terms of the pros, you can see the company has delivered good profit growth of 24% CAGR over the last 5 years. Company has gone a good return on equity track of 3 years, that is 25.3%. Company has maintained a healthy dividend payout of 29.8%. Debtors days have been improved from 167 to 128. Company working capital requirement have reduced from 149 days to 111 days. So I think these are the good pros that you can generate also, or you can find out here also. Right. So I hope this short video that I'm telling it will be good for you. The stock P ratio, as I mentioned, is 85.1. The book value is 54.7. Current market price as on today, it's 1401. The ROE is 34%. The high low, if you see, it's 1448. That's the high, and the low 52 weeks low is 1058. So there are a lot of things that you can watch in this if you want to be a long-term investor. But nevertheless, whenever you are trying to do any sort of investment, you should first speak to your financial advisor, then do all these things, or you should invest. So I hope this short video will be liked by you, and in case you like this video, do like and share my channel and do subscribe. Thanks a lot.